We're at the South Georgia Motorsport Park for the 43rd annual Man Cup International Finals, man. Dystany Spurlock is about to make her first test run, so let's go check it out. Set up, baby. Right out the gate, baby. All right, family, as you can see, after Dystany's first pass, she got pretty excited when she got that time ticket.
So, this is the time ticket, right? My number is number 3. So, my reaction time, meaning the time from when you left the line, is a 0:44, which is terrible. I need to be like 0:20s or better, but that's never here nor there. The 60-foot is a 1:06, so it's literally from the starting line 60 feet down. Same for the 330, it's from the starting line on down. That's a 295. The 8th mile, which is the class that we run, is the 460 class in the 8th mile. The object of it is to go 460 or slower. You can't go faster than 460. And we just went a 460 with an O, so that's kind of dope, right? So yeah, that's our ticket. And mind you, we haven't raced in a month, y'all. Like, this, yeah.
Oh, you baby girl.
We did that. See, now he can calm down. Yeah. He won't be freaking out.
Man, Mr. Larry just snatched that thing up like it weighed 20 pounds. Just snatch that. Ready, let's go. All right, family, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube so we can keep you up to speed on all the latest trends in autocross, restoration, resto mods, and the latest aftermarket equipment.